अगर हम ये कह दें कि इट इज मूविंग विद दिस मच ऑफ वेलोसिटी, तो इसका मतलब वो किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के रिस्पेक्ट में मूव कर रहा है, ठीक है। अगर मैं ये बोल दूं कि मैं जो है 30 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड से मूव कर रहा हूँ, इज इट करेक्ट?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, it is correct.
I am moving with 30 kilometer per second.
Yes, sir, it is correct.
How many of you, how many of you agree with this statement? I am moving with 30 kilometer per second.
Sir, there could be an object with respect to which you are moving with 30 kilometers per second.
Sir, yes, sir.
So you have to specify reference point.
Frame of reference के respect
तो
में
reference point पता होना चाहिए.
Okay, is it possible that I may be moving with 30 kilometer per second?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it is possible. It is possible. It is possible, but
How it can? How it can?
sir,
अगर मून के फ्रेम में देखें अर्थ को, तो फिर कह सकते हैं.
Yes, because Earth is moving in solar system. Earth is moving with a velocity of 30 kilometer per second. So if I am observing myself or anyone else on Earth from space, then it means that observer or myself is moving with 30 kilometer per second. Whenever we talk about velocity, there must be some frame of reference. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Similarly, the velocity of light was 3 lakh kilometer per second. It was experimentally detected. But with respect to which frame this velocity was? With respect to which frame?
Sir, with respect to every frame.
So in that period, it was simply the experimentally obtained that light is red. Ashish, please turn off your mic. Ashish Prajapati.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it was means in Maxwell's equation they found that the velocity of electromagnetic waves is 3 lakh kilometer per second or 3 to 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But if again if we are talking about velocity, then there must be some frame of reference. So it was a very major problem of that time, that with respect to which frame electromagnetic waves are moving. So it was supposed that there is a kind of matter which is spread uniformly throughout the space. There is some sort of matter which is spread throughout the space, and that means that matter, it was termed as ether. Ether means it is not that ether that you heard in your chemistry. It is ether, A-E-T-H-E-R. And ether, it means something which is spread everywhere. It is a German, or I mean probably it is a Greek word, and it means something which is spread everywhere. So with respect to that medium, light has a velocity of this means the 3 lakh kilometer per second. So there was many experiments were performed by different scientists to measure, means to detect that kind of medium. And in that medium, among those experiments, two of them are very they are very impactful. One was Fizow's experiment, and other one is Michelson experiment. So Fizow's experiment is not there in your syllabus. Only Michelson experiment is there in your syllabus. Fizow's experiment was very easy. They just they had some sort of experiment where they maintained the flow, means that they propagated light in opposite direction of means flowing liquid. Liquid was flowing in two opposite directions. There was a U-shaped tube. So and means that liquid was flowing through this, and they by placing mirrors in different orientations, they maintain the flow of means the path of light in such a way that if it is this kind of U-shaped means that tube, light was traveling in this direction, and then after reflecting through, it was there were means mirrors at 45 degree. You can means think of it like in this way that and light it means let me draw it. Okay. Otherwise, it will be there in the air only. So this was the Fizao's experiment. They maintained sort of this U shape tube, and there was a continuous flow of water, and they had this kind of mirrors at this edge. When light was entered in this means along the with the flow of water entered along this direction, it was reflected because it is placed at 45 degrees, so it was reflected. Means or reflected ray was at 90 degree to this incident ray, and again it was reflected here and it came over here along this direction. So there was another 90 degree reflection. So when this water is flowing, it means that I mean okay. Actually, sorry, the light was entered, not this thing. Actually, I'm just trying to represent that experiment. It is not so easy. So light was entered in both the means along both these tubes. So when water was flowing, so one part, this part of the light, it was moving along the flow of that water, and another part, this part was flowing against the flow of water. So they tried to detect the. They was they suppose that this light ray will be it will be dragged out along with the water. So this was the experiment that was done by Fizao, and it is not there in the syllabus. So, but there was another experiment, Michelson experiment. So it is that experiment you have to go. And in Michelson experiment, initially Michelson was very interested to estimate the speed of light, and it was he started. You can go through about the history of the who Michelson was. So you will find very interesting things that he was trying to observe something which is spread across the universe, and he was a completely agnostic person. He is the one who doesn't have any faith in God or any he was not a kind of spiritual man. So he was trying to estimate the velocity of light with respect to ether, or you can say he was trying to find the existence of ether. Ether. So Michelson did this experiment. He was there in U.S. Navy, and he was an officer in Navy. United U.S. Navy. He was an officer in U.S. Navy, and in 1989, up to 89, he was here, and thereafter he resigned from there and joined some institute of School of Science. Was like this thing was there. I don't know actual name of. I just skipped their name. So he joined that institute as a professor of physics, and then in 1880 he performed he tried to uh, uh, I mean interferometer. He tried to means, prepare his interferometer to detect this experiment, and after 7 years, Michelson along with Michelson and Morley, In 1807, they performed this famous Michelson-Morley experiment, and to detect the velocity of Earth with respect to ether. So this was all about the history of this Michelson-Morley experiment, and what that experiment is, that this we are just going through. So in Michelson-Morley experiment, there was a source. This was the source of light, and after, there was a partial semi-transparent glass plate. Semi-transparent glass plate, when light strikes at its surface, part of it will be transmitted and part of it will be reflected. So the part which is transmitted, there is a mirror. This light ray, it will move towards this mirror, and after reflecting from this, it will again return back. And yes,
नीचे की तरफ मूव कर जाएगी 90 डिग्री पे रिफ्लेक्ट कर जाएगी
yes. So since this is a semi-transparent glass plate, so part of light which is transmitted through it, it will move towards this mirror, and after reflecting from this, again it will be again it will strike at this point, and part of light it will be transmitted, and part of it will be reflected. So that reflected light comes in this direction. This is one means when this light strikes at this point, that the part which was transmitted, a fraction of it was again reflected in this direction, and rest of the light, when this light ray incidents at this point, that part which was some of its part was transmitted and some was reflected. So that reflected part was, there was another mirror. So this was along this direction, and after reflecting from here, it returned back, and again some part was reflected in this direction, and some part was transmitted. So that transmitted part was, so I am drawing it in different line, but it is not like that. Okay, it is both of these rays are just overlapping to each other. I think you get this point. So the distance between these two mirrors is same. Okay. So
माइक बंद कर लो आदित्य
Aditya, please turn off your mic. So this distance was same. So what they did, see, since this distance is same, so it will have this kind of wave pattern, and suppose this pattern it is of this wave, means the one which is reflected from this mirror, and the rest of the part which is reflected from this mirror, it will again have this kind of pattern. So if this distance is same, and this all means this experiment is at rest, this whole setup is at rest, then these two will have no phase difference. Means this peak and this peak, they will just overlap each other. this peak and this peak will overlap each other. So there will not be any kind of interference. You got this point?
No, sir. How did their phase match up? Please explain again.
Phase is matching just because this distance and
So distance is same. Yes, sir.
this distance is same. Actually, there was a compensating plate also because this semi-transparent glass plate has some thickness. So this ray has to travel that extra distance. So to compensate, there is also a compensating plate. I have not drawn that plate here. So I just think that this is. I'm thinking that this is very thin, semi-transparent glass plate, and these distances are same. So since distances are same, so both these waves will come in this way, and their phase will match. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So when you view this part through the microscope, there will not be any kind of interference pattern. So what they did was they tried to maintain a flow of they tried to maintain they tried to move this experiment along one of these direction, either this or this. So they tried to move this whole setup along this direction. So this part. So what will happen is, let me draw it in another diagram. So earlier, so this was a semi-transparent glass plate. So is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ क्या चीज कैसे है. See, so this is the whole experimental setup. It was situated in this way. Okay, and then they tried to move this experiment in this direction like this. Okay, so what will happen? This whole setup is moving. So when the ray, this when means after reflecting through this point, part of light it is transmitted. It is going in this direction, and the rest of it was reflected, and there is a spherical wavefront. So all these means along all the direction it is moving. It is being reflected, and this when this mirror reaches this point, that ray which was coming in this direction, it strikes at this point and it was reflected back along this direction. And when since this distance is same, so it will take the same time for the light ray to come to this point and to come again when it after reflecting from this point, when it reaches this point, this plate was in that period it was there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So and the means that ray which was transmitted through this, that mirror is also moving in this direction. So there will be two rays. One is this one, it will be here, and another is that which is reflected from this mirror, it is there. So if there is any if there is means if it means the means this ray, it is C plus U. When this ray was moving along this direction towards the mirror, then it has to cover a distance of C minus, or let me take a distance only. This is L, and अच्छा ये डायग्राम अभी तक ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. सर एक कंफ्यूजन है कि जो सर सिस्टम है दैट इज ट्रांसफर विद द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट और नॉट.
क्या चीज?
सर जो सिस्टम आप ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं पहले एक्सपेरिमेंट के बाद, तो सर वो सिस्टम लाइट की स्पीड से सर ट्रांसफर किया गया है कि
लाइट की स्पीड से नहीं? ये तो अर्थ पे रखा हुआ है ना. हमने क्या किया है कि जो अर्थ की मींस अर्थ तो हमारी जो इसमें मींस ऐसे मूव कर रही है ना सर्कुलर अपने ऑर्बिट में, ठीक है?
yes,
तो अर्थ की ही वेलोसिटी को मेजर करना है ना. तो ये पूरा सेटअप जो है वो अर्थ पे ही अर्थ के साथ में मूव कर रहा है. तो ये जो पार्ट है, ये जो इधर को मूव कर रहा है, ये अर्थ की ही वेलोसिटी है. अर्थ की जो वेलोसिटी है उसके साथ में पूरा सेटअप मूव कर रहा है.
यस सर.
ठीक है.
ओके सर.
तो जो लाइट की रे है, इसको जो है जब ये इस डायरेक्शन में जा रही होगी, तो मींस अब ये दोनों टाइम क्या होंगे? डिफरेंट होंगे. ठीक. एक में क्या है कि ये लाइट की रे जस्ट यहाँ से मिरर, ये जो सेमी ग्लास, जो ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास प्लेट, इससे निकलने के बाद में अब ये मिरर तक पहुंचेगी. ठीक है.
यस सर.
रिफ्लेक्टिव जो ये जो रे है, ठीक है, जब ये रे जा रही होगी उस समय इसको कितनी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करनी पड़ेगी? ये और प्लस ये.
प्लस एल. यस सर.
और आते समय इसको जो है केवल इतनी ही डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करनी है.
यस सर.
ठीक है. क्योंकि जब ये रिफ्लेक्ट होगी उस समय मिरर, ये जो प्लेट है यहाँ पर पहुंच चुकी होगी.
यस सर.
अब बिकॉज इन दोनों में डिफरेंस हो गया ना डिस्टेंसेस में.
यस सर.
और एक रे है जिसको जो है ये यहाँ से आकर के और यहाँ इसको इतनी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करनी है.
यस सर.
इन दोनों के बीच में क्या होगा? जो फेज डिफरेंस आना चाहिए.
यस सर.
ठीक. फेज डिफरेंस अगर आएगा, ठीक है, तो इंटरफेरेंस का पैटर्न मिलेगा.
यस सर.
मिलना चाहिए. ठीक
यस
है.
सर.
तो बट ये इस तरीके का कोई भी जो है जो मींस जो फेज डिफरेंस है, ये एक्सपेरिमेंटली ऐसा कुछ डिटेक्ट किया नहीं गया. ठीक है. और ये जो एक्सपेरिमेंट है इसका सोल्यूशन पे करेंगे, आज हो भी नहीं पाएगा. ठीक है. तो ये जो एक्सपेरिमेंट है इसको खाली एक बार नहीं और कई बार कई सारे मौसम में जो है अलग अलग वेदर कंडीशन में, अलग अलग सीजन में, इस ईयर का जो हमारे जो मंथ होते हैं अलग अलग इसमें कई बार इसको रिपीट किया गया. बट हर बार जो है ये जो हम जो फेज डिफरेंस की बात कर रहे हैं मोशन के लॉ, जो कि होना चाहिए अगर जो है जो लाइट की वेलोसिटी भी अगर रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी है तो. लेकिन इस तरीके का कोई भी हमारा जो है ये मींस ये ऑब्जर्व नहीं हो पाया है. इसी से जो, और इसी को हम नेगेटिव रिजल्ट बोलते हैं. तो इसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए कई सारे जो है अपने लोगों के अलग अलग जो है वो है अपने मतलब इंटरप्रिटेशन दिए लोगों ने. कुछ लोगों ने बताया जैसे लॉरेंस शिंड्रेन ने, उन्होंने बताया कि जो लेंथ होती है जिस डायरेक्शन में एपेटस मूव कर रहा है उस डायरेक्शन की जो लेंथ है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती है. ठीक है. मींस वो लेंथ ही चेंज हो जाती है. अभी लेंथ चेंज होने लगा तो हम लोगों ने अभी समझा भी कि कैसे होता है. एक तो ये उसका कंसेप्ट है. एक ये बताया ईथर ड्रैग हाइपोथेसिस कि जो ईथर होता है वही जो है जो लाइट प्रोवाइड करती है मींस अर्थ के साथ में वो ईथर ही ड्रैग कर रहा है. एक ये है. इस तरीके के जो है, और एक आइंस्टाइन का था कॉन्स्टेंसी ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ लाइट. तो ये उसके नेगेटिव रिजल्ट को एक्सप्लेन करने के कई सारे इंटरप्रिटेशंस हैं. ठीक है, उसका डेरिवेशन हम लोग अपना जो है इसमें कल में करेंगे, ठीक है, आज नहीं हो पाएगा। तो इसमें भी कुछ पूछना हो तो किसी को पूछ लो।
सर हम लोग ईथर की प्रेजेंस कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे या फिर अर्थ की वेलोसिटी?
ईथर नहीं, अर्थ की वेलोसिटी विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ईथर,
विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ईथर। ओके
बिकॉज ईथर इज स्टेशनरी, इट वाज सपोज दैट इट इज स्टेशनरी, ठीक है। विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ईथर हमने जो है अर्थ की वेलोसिटी पता करी, एब्सोल्यूट वेलोसिटी अर्थ की।
सर यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट रेड शिफ्ट एंड ब्लू शिफ्ट।
ये हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है, इसको हम लोग डिस्कस
जो
करेंगे, ठीक है।
ईथर होगा वो भी एक्सपैंड होता होगा या फिर वो भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट?
हाँ, वो तो कई सारे डायमेंशन, कई सारे मतलब इंटरप्रिटेशन है उसकी, ठीक है। एक बार आप लोग जो है अपना नेम एंड रोल नंबर एंड एट द एंड ऑफ क्लास मुझे आगे टेक्स्ट कर दीजिए, और देयर आफ्टर यू मिलिए।
सर ये टेक्स्ट कर दीजिएगा जो सर आपने ड्रॉ किया है।
ये हम कल करेंगे इसको, ठीक
अच्छा
है।
सर, ओके सर।
अभी तो उसमें कुछ किया ही नहीं है।
तो लॉरेंट उसके बाद आएगा ना?
इसके बाद आएगा, इसका इंटरप्रिटेशन में ही आया है, ठीक है।